How to delete Lemon8 account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Lemon8 account. It's quick process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Lemon8 app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your Lemon8 account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the settings section. In the settings section, you can see the option labeled account. Simply tap on that. And once you are in your account section, you can see the option delete account. Simply tap on that. But before your account can be deleted, you will need to verify the Google account linked to your Lemon8 account. And once the verification is complete, a pop-up will show you important details about account deletion. Once your account is deleted, you won't be able to log in anymore and your post, comments, likes and collection will be erased. Also, you can't register with the same email address again. So if you are sure you want to delete your account, simply tap on agree and then tap on delete. And that's it. Your account will be deleted. And you will also have 14 days to reactivate it if you change your mind. I hope this video helped you out. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.